These are the top 3 weirdest science facts that sound totally fake, but are 100% real. Number 3, your brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb, even when you're asleep. Yep, your mind is literally lit. Number 2, space smells like burnt steak. Astronauts say the smell sticks to their suits, like a cosmic BBQ gone wrong. And number 1, can you guess what is it? Octopuses have 9 brains, 3 hearts, and blue blood. If that's not an alien in disguise, I don't know what is. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments if you learned something new. Once again, this is your science sorted.